So a lot of people think that if they're shy and introverted, they can't be good at sales. If you are shy and introverted, you may have this belief that you can't be good at sales. And if you want to own your own business, that can be a problem because when you own your own business, you're automatically in sales because everyone in business is in sales. So here's the interesting thing. When I first got started, I'm very shy and introverted. And I actually assumed I would not be good at sales at all. But I got on the phone with people, I gave it a try, and it actually turns out I've closed over $1 million in business on the phone alone by myself as a shy, introverted person. So I invite you to think about your being introverted and shy as more of a superpower, because when it comes to sales, that is actually what's going to set you apart from the more typical and stereotypical salespeople that are pushy, don't listen. In fact, we do listen really well. We can ask great questions. And if we're ultimately rooted in a purpose of helping people, you can be an absolutely incredible salesperson.